How to fix back button missing on Android. So if you discover that your Android phone back button is missing and now you want to fix it, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. If you see this, instead of the back button on your Android phone, then it means you've enabled swipe gestures. So you need to go ahead, disable swipe gestures to bring back the back button on your Android. So all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Android phone. Then on the settings page, just need to scroll down until you get to display. Then click on display. Once you selected display, scroll down. Just keep scrolling until you get to navigation. Then you should see navigation bar. Click on it. Once you select the navigation bar, locate and click on buttons instead of swipe gestures. Now once you selected buttons, you see the swipe gestures change to button here. Now you can now go ahead, hit the back button to start using the back button or buttons on your Android phone. However, if you want to customize the back button, if the back button is at the bottom right and you want to change it from bottom right to bottom left, come to navigation bar page, locate and click on more options. Once you selected more options, you'll be taken to where to reorder the back button. Then click on the button location you want to use. If you click on the second option, then you should see your back button change to the bottom left. If you go with the first option, then your back button is also going to change to the bottom right. So just swipe between button orders you have here to choose where the back button is located. And once you're good, go ahead and hit the back button, and then you're good. Now, while on the home screen on your Android phone, you can now use the back button that is missing. So that's exactly how to fix back button missing on Android. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.